I don't know what we're doing anymore.
Can you like say
Ice cold.
Did you see the gun show yet? Where? I thought it was on the left. I thought it's on the left. Left. For you, that's your left. This is my left. I'm gonna catch up. All right. Jesus, I can't even run. Golly. Oh, God. We're on a hunt for the gun show. Oh, that actually hurt. There's a river down there. I think I'll get it on my other foot. They're coming. Come on. Oh, wait.
You talking about in it?
Jump. Like, run and boom.
I can't run in these.
I see the White House. I'm gonna actually go on that trampoline, not gonna lie. I'm tired. I'm not really tired, my foot hurts. Watch me. There's a snake in my boat. Yep, you got that.
Okay, well you broke the sign.
Alright, Ashley, shush.
Yes, sir.
Imagine I just go up across a dog and man, almost scared the life out of me. See, I just wanted to be petted. Alright, so can we go to the trampoline since we know it's nice? Are you having a panic attack right now? I wonder what happened to its eye actually. I mean, it could be like partially blind or something. See? It really loves you. It's blind. Oh, nice to meet you. Can you get off me, please? Sure would. Don't leave me here. I'm so sorry for him, buddy. Okay. Yep, you're very heavy. Hey, there's a cat. Say, sure would. There's a cat. Okay. I'm gonna leave you be now. Yeah, I have a hurt foot, buddy. I'm hurt just like you. Oh, the cat is actually meowing though. Sure would. Hey. Hey, buddy. Come here. Taylor, I mean, ugh. Sure would. There's a cat. Come here. Hey. 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 Does this cat talk too much? I know. You like that cat? Yeah? I like that cat too. I mean, what? It's nice. Come here. Ow. That actually hurt. That hurt, buddy. Come here. I'm no harm. You saw me last time, didn't you? Yeah. It was a bright, beautiful day last time I saw you. And you wouldn't stop talking for some reason. Hey, he's not a threat. Come here. Come here. Okay, get off my back, please. Hey, I'm gonna leave now. Alright, can I? Alright, excuse me. Catch you later, kitten. Kitty. Kitty. It's okay. Here, I'll pet you before I leave. Here. You're so sweet. Sure would. Really? Really? The dog's just gonna chase you, to be honest. Okay, he done ran, and the cat went the same way last time. Oh, come here. Come on. But, later I'm gonna have to take you back home. Because you and him live together. So, I gotta take y'all guys back home. Hey, look at the cows. And we still have this dog following me. Or leading me. And we got this cat behind me following me too. Wow. And my friend just left me. He was too scared. Are you coming? Okay. It's kind of weird. It like went in the forest and then came back out of nowhere. Yeah. And I don't know about the dog. The dog, I don't even know. I'm almost back home. Guys, we're almost home. Can y'all guys believe that? No? Yeah, me neither. Just got like 2 or 3 more miles. Or maybe 1. Oh, well. We just need to not see the dead end sign. And man, I'm tired of actually walking, bro. Are you tired? Are you tired? You look tired. She just keep going. Do you like ever be quiet? Probably not.